Hello guys, this is Gabby again. Last time we have finished lesson 1. Before we start with lesson 2, let's have a review first. So in lesson 1, we have learned 4 initials: po, po, mo, fo. One final a with different tones. A, 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 a. We also learned how to spell. We learned different pinyin combinations. Let's take some as an example to check whether you got it or not. Yeah, for example, this one. Please spell it. Bo, a, ba. This one. Yeah, bo, a, ba. This. Yeah, mo, a, ma. How about this? Fo, a, fa. If you still don't get it, you can go back to our lesson 1 video. Or if you still have any questions, yeah, just leave it on the comments. I will get back to you. So lesson 2, we will keep continue. In this lesson, we are going to learn 4 initials, 3 finals, and of course, we will continue to practice the different tones. And in the end, we are going to learn some useful new words and try to use them in our daily life in a conversation. Yeah, so let's get started with the finals. The first final for us today is O. O. We have this sound in English too, right? But of course, Mandarin and English, they are different. So again, Mandarin is a tonal language. Tones are on the finals. So let's put the tones on the finals. First tone, O, O. Second tone, O, O. Third tone, O, O. Fourth tone, O, O. Okay, now initials and the finals together. And we will bring out the finals from the first lesson. Po, po, mo, fo. Let's try the first one first. Po, po, o, o, po, o, po, po, o, po, po, o, po. Okay. Po, o, po, o, po, po, o, po, po, o, po, po, o, po. Now, the third initial, mo, o, mo, o, mo, mo, o, mo, mo, o, mo, o, mo, mo, o, mo, o. mall, for, or, for, or, for, for, or, for, or, for, for, or, for, or, for, for, or, for, or, for. Okay, now the second finals. This one. This one is a little bit difficult. It's even difficult to some Chinese people. So for this one, it sounds like uh. Yeah, let's put the tones on it. The first tone, second tone, uh, third tone, uh, fourth tone, uh, uh. Okay, now let's bring in the initials. These initials are going to be new to you. Yeah, the first initials here, the, the. It actually sounds a little bit like in English, but again, like we mentioned in the first lesson, it's very light. It's not that when we are using it, it's not that convenient for us. So actually, we bring in something for help, and the sound we borrow is just we mentioned the. Yeah. So try it with the final the the the的的得的得得的得的得的的的的